Jack C3, integrated super high-speed computerized overlock with full automatic functions for light sensor, trimmer, presser foot, one-key reset, sewing mode change, etc. C3 has great performance for lowering noise and vibration, preventing oil leakage. C3 is the best choice for t-shirts, underwear, sports clothes, and jeans. Integrated sewing, high efficiency. According to lean production theory, automatic trimmer not only saves time for sewing but also saves thread costs. Automatic presser foot design, which saves time and energy. Based on our deeply research, we invented special sewing mode for granulating fabric, considering customers' demands, and avoids uncontrolled cutting during operation. Stable performance, best choice. Integrated motor design and high-quality assemblies makes a perfect C3. One integrated shaft makes more stable performance and swift sewing experience. Quick response for starting sewing and stop. Enjoy high-speed sewing. A brand new sensor system can automatically sense lightness and fabric thickness. Humanize the functions, understand you better. Enjoy sewing with more humanized functions which give you different and perfect feeling. The embedded LED light avoids hanging fabric and brightness can be easily adjusted. One key rest to factory parameters or set parameters. No need worry about workers' operation mistake. Jack C3, best cost performance computerized overlock machine.